In a sunlit kitchen, a forgotten anniversary sparks a flash of disappointment that travels from chest to fingertips. Instead of excuses, the partner offers a brief, heartfelt apology and proposes a spontaneous routine to reconnect. A 5-minute walk turns into a micro-ritual where they share one memory, one future goal, and one promise. They learn that acknowledgement and steady small actions rebuild trust faster than grand gestures alone. By week's end, the couple notices a subtle shift in tone, patience growing, and renewed emotional safety for both of them to breathe easier together.